Hi there. It's been a while since I've made a video like this, so I'm going to do one on making yerba mate. So here is my mate. A mate is any cup. Usually it has a kind of bulbous base. And the bombilla is the metal straw. And what's fancy and special about this is that the strainer is already in the bottom. So it's a contained straw strainer in the bottom, so you don't literally strain the tea leaves out. If you're a beginner, what I always suggest is starting with a tablespoon or two of yerba. So yerba is a bush that grows in South America, and then it was created into a tea. And people call it yerba, yerba mate. There's lots of different names. Just drink it. If you're a beginner, this is about 2 tablespoons. I would start there, okay? I'm gonna add my sweetener into this. Now, I use loose leaf stevia. I literally grow stevia. Stevia is a plant like basil, peppermint, just another spice. And then I dehydrate it. But you can use honey, you can use white stevia powder, you can use any sweetener that you would normally use in any tea, any coffee. You can either sweeten the stevia, the yerba leaves, or you can sweeten the water. And this is my thermos. Some people sweeten the water, and what's fancy and special about this thermos is that it has a narrow spout so that the hot water can come out. That's my dog Bella in the background if you're hearing her. She's a beauty. Okay, so I'm gonna fill this up because I've been drinking this for a while and I love my mate. And then I'm gonna shake it a little bit. That mixes the leaves with the powder. So as not to shock the mate with hot water, I'm just gonna put room temperature water first. A little bit of a mess. And then I'm gonna pour a little stream of hot water into the mate leaves. And what that's gonna do is make it all kind of swell up. It's also going to help the flavor last in the tea leaves a bit longer. Once I've seen it swell up again, now it's time for the bombilla. I'm gonna slip the bombilla in, and once it's in, you don't touch it. The reason for that is that as you drink, the leaves form around the bombilla bottom and you stop getting them up in the straw, or you've got a really cheap straw. Now I'm gonna fill it with water, and now I'm gonna sip. Oh my gosh, this is amazing.